Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable Clipboard History, okay? So it's super useful feature that you don't have as a Mac user, but as a Windows user you have this feature. I think it's very effective and powerful tool. So let me show you what you have to do to enable this. So here, Windows logo we have here, just right click on it and select settings. All right, now the next what you have to do, if you select it here, settings, system, right down here you should have clipboard. Click on it, and then here clipboard history, make sure it's enabled, and then use this shortcut Windows logo key plus V. Okay, and now if you click on Windows use the shortcut, here's the shortcut. Okay, so I hope this video is gonna help you. It's pretty useful tool. You also have other options here, emojis, and yeah, I hope this video helps you guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more Windows 11 or 10 tips tutorials. Thank you for watching, and take care.